You need to do these three things that I am about to mention before the year runs out. And I kid you not, these three things are very, very important, and it's going to help you enjoy the coming year to the fullest. So if you're ready with me, get your pen and your paper. Let's dive deep. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is to do a proper evaluation. So if you want to do a proper evaluation, you need to start from January. What are the things that you put on your vision board for this year? What are the goals that you set out for yourself to achieve this year? And why do you need evaluation? Evaluation would help you to self-reflect. You reflect on the things that worked out. You reflect on the things that didn't work out. And most importantly, it will help you to learn the better way you could have done things, and it will also help you not to repeat the same mistake this coming year. Okay, so the second thing you need to do, but before I do that, I would like to welcome my new subscribers to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Funmilayo, and I am your coach on this channel. We talk about things that edifies our relationship with God and our personal life. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by once again. The second thing you need to do is to retreat. Why do you need retreat? You need retreat because it's going to help you to know the heart of God for this coming year. And if you are setting another goal or a new goal for next year, it will also give you an insight to what God is saying per time and per season. You would agree with me that this is very important, and I kid you not, before you set another goal for next year, it is very important that you know what God is saying for next year, for yourself, for your business, for your career, and for your family. Do you get that right now? So retreat. This is a time for solitude, and we all need it. We all need it. If you haven't done it, please find a time in your schedule to do that. Third thing you need to do. But before I mention that, I have a gift for you. It's my Christmas gift. I already set out for you a guide to setting smart goals. So this, I know you're going to need it, and I already solved the problem for you. Okay, so click the link in the description box and get your copy for free. It is free because it's your Christmas gift. It's a way of giving back to you. And if you know that you also set goals, but you need a little push, you need someone that would hold you accountable for the things you've set out to do for next year, please feel free to join Talk With Funmilayo Hub. This is a community whereby we do not just set goals, but we also do it. This is a community whereby we do not just talk about our dreams, we make them realities. You get weekly, monthly check-ins, you get a personalized, like a table planner for your goals. And yes, I'm gonna be on your face to push you to achieve your dreams faster than you can ever think. So join Talk With Funmilayo Hub today. Yes, so let's get to the third top thing that you need to do before the year runs out. So the third thing you need to do before the year runs out is to set smart goals. And you would agree with me that before you can set a smart goal for next year, the first thing I mentioned, which is reflect, is very important. So you need to reflect what works this year so you don't repeat them next year. What are the things that you need to drop? Okay, and the retreat would also help you to know the heart of God. So the third one is set smart goals. Setting of smart goals sometimes can be very ambiguous, and you would agree with me that many of us, we get excited about the new year, set big things. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and at the end of the day, I don't know what you said to do for this year that you couldn't do. For me, I already set some goals. So setting of smart goals can be very simple. If you follow the guide in my free ebook, get yours in the description box, and make sure you join Talk With Funmilayo Hub today. So these three things are very important. So what are you waiting for? You do not have any excuse, and I kid you not, you don't have any excuse. Right now, it's time to take action. Don't wait till January, don't wait till December when everything will be busy that you have to run it to get getting Christmas chicken rice here and there. So this is the time to reflect, to retreat, and to set your smart goals for next year. I'm holding you accountable because I need to see you win next year, and we need to what? We are going to win together. We are going to win together next year. So, if this video has helped you, please feel free to like and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? So click the subscribe button right now and let me know which of these steps you will be taking in the comment section. Till I come your way again, keep smiling and stay blessed. Bye.